This is our team code for India, and I'm Krishna Keshav Banik, and with my teammate Krishna Shukla, we are presenting you Task Smart AI. Modern companies use project management tools to assign and track tasks, but these systems mainly rely on manual updates and manager review to verify whether the work actually meets the requirements. In large teams, managers often need to review multiple submissions such as documents, codes, designs, and architectural diagrams, which makes the process time consuming and inefficient. Existing tools are there just like Jira which actually helps track that status, but they do not actually automatically analyze the submitted work and assist the manager or the project lead to actually analyze how much is the work completed or how much is the work incomplete. As a result, managers face difficulty in quickly identifying incomplete work and missing elements and also quality issue. So, yeah, to solve this, we are proposing our solution, which is Task Smart AI. To address this challenge, we propose a unique solution, which is an AI assisted project management platform that helps manager review and evaluate task submissions more efficiently. In this system, employees submit their work through the platform in the form of code files, documents, designs, or like any other images or architecture, like whatever the task has been assigned. So the manager actually assigns a task along with a proper description of the task with the requirements the manager requires, and the tasks are submitted by the employees. Then the AI actually analyzes the submissions, compares it with the task requirements, and accordingly identifies which are the missing components and generates a completion estimate along with a summary of the work. These insights are presented to the manager, who can then quickly review it, like review the analysis and decide whether to approve the task or to reject or to partially approve it. So, what do I mean by partially approve? If a manager is partially approving a particular task, then based on that, the AI will automatically assign the next task, which will be completion of the previous task, like the completion of the leftover portion. Along with that, the platform is actually acting as an intelligent assistant for the manager, helping them to reduce manual review effort while keeping the final decision in human control. So we have actually developed like a Figma design so that we can help you out. So over here, the companies actually register themselves, and once the company is actually registering, if you see over here, when we are coming. 1 minute, yeah. So yeah, when the company logs in, it actually shows it just like this part. Okay, so how many active projects are there? Company, as in you can consider the manager. Then it brings us to this page, which is actually where the company can create a new project with the project proposal. Suppose the project is company's website. Okay, so within the website there can be multiple tasks like create the front end, create the back end, and all sort. So when we go down here, we can add the employees who will be working for that particular project, and accordingly we can create the project. So what happens once the project is created? So once the project is created, if you see over here, so the manager can actually create a new task with description and with the requirements. And once this is done, the manager also assigns the people who should be assigned, or it can be recommended also by the AI based on the role selected. Okay, so what is happening when we are creating the project and adding the employees, we are also giving them a particular role. So based on the role and based on the task which is being created, the AI is actually recommending the person whom we can give the tasks to. Okay, and after that it's actually asking for other documents and all. So once that is done, so over here if you see, the employee can submit their work in this way. They select the project, they select their task, and they submit their file. Once their file is submitted over here, as you can see. Okay, so it actually analyzes the whole task, and accordingly it gives a proper AI based feedback, and what are the changes that needs to be done and everything. It gives it in total, and it actually helps the manager analyze the task more efficiently and more abruptly. So yeah, that is our main motto. So when we are coming to the architecture, so the system is built using a multimodal AI evolution architecture that can analyze different types of submission. When a user is uploading the work, the system first detects their file type. So it may be image, it may be document. So accordingly, like it routes it to the appropriate analysis module. The code files are evaluated by using automated code analysis tools to check structure, functionality, and requirement alignment. Documents such as reports or presentations are processed using natural language processing models to evaluate document structure, topic coverage, and relevance to the task requirements. Image based submissions such as architecture diagram or UI designs are analyzed using computer vision models that extract visual components and convert them into textual description. These structured outputs are then processed by a language model to compare the submission with the task requirements, detect missing elements, and generate an evaluation report including completion percentage, summary, and feedback. The final insights are displayed at the manager dashboard, enabling faster and more informed decision making. And it also helps like to track individual employees proper performance, like how dedicatedly that person is actually working out. So that's all. Thank you.